So Black Friday is coming up and you're probably already seeing that the cost of advertising is going up rapidly. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two type of approaches that I'm taking to Black Friday in order to get my clients the best results possible during this time period. So there's generally two types of approaches that you can take towards Black Friday, and that's either to go all in or not to go in at all. If you're going to go all in, it's really important that you optimize your creatives and your campaigns to tailor them towards Black Fridays. So make sure you use the word Black Friday in the ad copy, you have it all over the ad creative, and you make sure that people know that this is a time limited offer, so they should take advantage of it now. Now the reason you want to do this is obviously because you want to increase the conversion rate. As advertising cost is almost doubling during this time period, if you're not optimizing your conversion rate and your conversion rate for your campaign stays the same, but the cost for these campaigns double, that means your results are going to go down by 50%. So that's why we either go all in or we do not go in at all. Another thing that's really important is to optimize your average order value. Since you're adding on all of these heavy discounts to your products, it's really important that once you get these people off of the social media platform onto your website, that they add more products to cart that is not as heavily discounted, so they don't eat up too much of your margin and you can actually make a profit on these sales. Now there's many ways you can optimize your average order value, so I'm not going to go into that in this video. Now the other approach we take to Black Friday is to not go in at all. Now if your clients don't want to run Black Friday campaigns and they don't want to add on these discounts, we generally recommend that we just scale back the campaigns almost to a minimum. And we do this because it's so hard to compete with Black Friday offers where businesses literally take a loss to acquire new customers during this time period. Now, the reason why we scale back campaigns instead of turning them fully off is because we want to keep some of the momentum during this time period. For a lot of businesses, there's still a lot of money to be made in the last portion of Q4. So we make sure that we just scale them down so we can quickly scale the campaigns back up once Black Friday and Black Week is over to quickly get back to the results that we had prior to Black Friday. As you can see in my client's ad account here, we have scaled almost all of the campaigns down to an absolute minimum. As you can see, this campaign right here is just running with $1 per day. This one is just running with $5 per day. And if we go over to the ad level for the ABO campaigns, we have most of these campaigns at $1 per day or $5 per day. The only campaign we're spending high budgets on for this account is this where we gather emails in order to send out an email towards this list when the sale goes live on their website. So if you liked this video and got something out of it, make sure you leave it a like. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, you can subscribe, of course. And let me know which one of these two approaches you are taking towards Black Friday in the comment section below. I'm curious. If you have any questions, make sure you also leave them below. I'm going to answer each and every question in detail, so make sure you take advantage of that. And there's also a link to my private Facebook group in the description below. So if you're interested in joining and learning from other marketers and growth hackers, make sure you click that link and sign up for the Facebook group. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.